This is the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. Each kit comes with 3 whitening gels, a flexible mouth tray, and an LED light. You can find a step-by-step instructional guide on the back of the box. We've also included a shade guide so you can keep track of your whitening progress. Before you get started, make sure you take a clear picture of your teeth. You can hold the guide against your teeth to figure out your current shade. We recommend to use the kit at night just before going to bed. It's also a good idea to brush your teeth before use so they're nice and clean and ready to whiten. First things first, on the back of the LED light is a battery cover. Turn the cover anti-clockwise and lightly pull up to open the battery compartment. Inside, you'll find 2 circular batteries and a small plastic slit. The light won't power up until the plastic is removed, so push down on the batteries while you pull the slip upwards and out. Double check that the batteries have the writing facing up and reattach the battery cover by turning it to the lock position. You can now attach the mouth tray to the LED light. The mouth tray requires no moulding, so it's as easy as fitting it to the device and you're good to go. You're now ready to start your first application, so take out one of the gels and twist off the small cap. If you look closely at the gel, you'll see that there are quarter markings along the side. Our kit whitens both upper and lower teeth, so apply a quarter of the gel to the top face of the mouth tray and another quarter of the gel to the bottom face of the mouth tray. If you've missed a spot, you can use your finger to spread out the gel evenly. Don't forget to twist the cap back onto your gel and store it in the tray. You can now place the kit into your mouth and adjust it to a good position where the gel is touching the front surface of your teeth evenly. Press the button on top of the light to begin your whitening process. Each use only takes 10 minutes with the inbuilt automatic timer. Once complete, the light will make a small beeping sound to let you know you can take out the kit. There may be some excess gel and saliva, so make sure you're close by to the sink to spit and rinse. The last step is to clean and dry the mouth tray and place everything back into the kit box. And that's all there is to it. Repeat the process every night for 6 consecutive days to achieve maximum results. It's a good idea to avoid dark food and drinks such as coffee, tea, red wine, and even pasta sauce during your whitening cycle. After your last application is complete, take another picture of your teeth to match to the shade guide. Try to use the same lighting conditions and setting as your original picture to get the best comparison. And there you have it. If you have any further questions or require any assistance, our team is always here to help.